Now we will study properties of beta function, which is the very important properties, and by using the property we will solve some problem. So write down the properties of beta function. Properties of beta function. Okay, beta function is a symmetric. Beta function is a symmetric. That is, we write down beta function is a symmetric. Beta function is symmetric. Symmetric. That is what? That is beta of mn can be written as beta of n m. Okay, so this property is known as symmetric property. Getting? And what is the relation between beta and gamma function? So we write relation between beta and gamma function. Beta and gamma function. What is the relation between beta and gamma function? So you have the relation beta of mn can be written as gamma of m into gamma of n divided by gamma of m plus n. So this is the relation between beta and gamma function. Okay, so so your trigonometric formula become, if you're using beta relation between beta and gamma function, then your trigonometric formula become, so you know the trigonometric formula, you know, integration of limit 0 to pi by 2 sine p theta into cos q theta and d theta. This is your trigonometric formula. Okay, this equal to 1 by 2 beta of
सर वो साइन
beta
के ऊपर क्या लिखा है?
a sin raised to p theta into cos raised to q theta d theta.
ओके ओके ओके.
And this equal to 1 upon 2 beta of p plus 1 by 2 and q plus 1 by 2. You know this formula? Yesterday I have derived. Okay. Now I am using relation between beta and gamma function. So this is what 1 by 2 as it is. But beta of mn can be written as gamma of m into gamma of n. So just write down this is gamma of m. First term is m. P plus 1 by 2 and into q plus 1 by 2 and divide by gamma of m plus n, that is p plus 1 by 2 and plus q plus 1 by 2. Okay, so your this formula can be written as like this. Getting? And we will use while doing the problem. And there is another formula, duplication formula of gamma function, which is also important for you. Duplication formula for gamma function, duplication formula of gamma function Okay, what is the duplication formula of gamma function? This is what 2 raised to m minus 2 raised to 2m minus 1 into gamma of m, then into m plus 1 by 2, and this equal to square root of pi into gamma of 2m. Okay, this formula is very important for you, and most of your result is derived from duplication of the gamma function. Okay. Now let us move to the next page. Then we will start the type number 1. You have to remember all this formulae. Type number 1. The integral of the form, the integral of the form integral of the form integration of limit 0 to a x raised to m a minus x raised to n dx. Okay, if we have integral of the form, then we will use substitution. Then we put x equal to at, x equal to at. Okay, if you have this type of integral, that is integral of limit 0 to a x raised to m into a minus x raised to n dx, then we will use substitution x equal to at. Okay, let us do the problem based on this example. Okay, evaluate the integral, evaluate the integral of limit 0 to 2 x into q root of 8 minus x q. Okay, and into dx. We have to evaluate this integral. Let us see how to solve this problem. Solution. So we first copy the given integral. So we write, let I equal to given integral, that is 0 to 2 integration of limit 0 to 2 x into cube root of 8 minus x cube and dx. Okay, so this equation can be written as integration of limit 0 to 2 x into cube root. So this can be written as 8 minus x cube the power 1 by 3 and dx. Okay, this can be written as like this. Now what have to do? We putting here a is what? Here a is here 8 और x आपका क्या है? x क्यू है. So we putting here, we put here x equal to what? 80 means 8 a 80. We putting 80. ठीक है. Now just differentiate this x cube. We putting x cube equal to 8t. So just differentiate this. So by differentiating, you will get what? Differentiate it. So just simplify first, then differentiate. So this implies that x equal to 8t. The power is what? I'm taking power 1 by 3 on both sides. So these 3 cancel. Here become 1 by 3. Okay. So this gives x equal to, this can be written as what? 2 ke power 3. Okay. Into t raised to 1 by 3. So this can be written as x equal to 2 ke power 3. 1 power cancel. 3 cancel. So you will get 2 into t raised to 1 by 3. Getting? Now you can differentiate this. So differentiate with respect to t. So you will get dx equal to 2 into 1 by 3 t raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. So you will get what? So this can be written as dx equal to 2 by 3 t raised to how much? Minus 2 by 3, and here dt. You are differentiating with respect to t, na? So we write down here dt. Okay. Now, whenever you substitution, just change the limit. Whenever you use substitution, just change the limit. So when x equal to what? 0, this implies x equal to 0, then t equal to what? Then t equal to also 0. Yes. Now when x equal to 2, x equal to 2, then t equal to what? When x equal to 2, then 2 ka power 3, that is 8, or 8 cancel, t equal to what? 1. Getting? Now substitute all this value over here. So you will get I equal to integration of limit. Your limit changes from 0 to 2 to 0 to 1. So 0 to 1. Okay. So instead of x, we put here, instead of x, we putting 2. This thing, we will put this 2 into t raised to 1 by 3. Okay. Now into 8 add as it is minus tq, that is 8t. 8t, the power is 1 by 3. Now dx, your dx is this, that is 2 by 3 t raised to minus 2 by 3 and dt. Getting? Now what? Just simplify this. This equal to integration of limit 2 by 3, that is 4 by 3. I am taking outside 4 by 3. So integration of limit 0 to 1. Okay. Now this will come outside. This will come outside. So I am taking, just write down t raised to 1 by 3. The base is same, the power will be added. Base is same, that is t, power will be added. So that is 2 by 3. Okay. Now I am taking common from this. I am taking 8 outside. So this become 1 minus t. The power is what? 1 by 3 and dt. Okay. Now this can be written as 4 by 3 integration of limit 0 to 1, and just simplify this. Base is same, here denominator is same, so this become what? Minus 1 by 3. So t raised to minus 1 by 3. Now here, so this is what? 8 power 1 by 3. So this can be written as 2 k power 3 into 1 k power 3. So 3 cancel. This become only 2. This become only 2. So I am taking 2 here. Getting? So 1 minus t raised to 1 by 3 dt. Are you getting this step? Are you getting this step or not?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, चलिए अभी next. So this equal to, next step, this equal to, so here 4 or 2, that is 8 by 3. 8 by 3 integration of limit 0 to 1, or we write here t raised to minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus t raised to 1 by 3 and dt. Okay. Now what? Now come to the definition of beta function. We want here m minus 1. Okay. So let us move for next page, then you will understand it better. So therefore we write I equal to, just copy the previous one, 8 by 3 integration of limit 0 to 1, and next t raised to minus 1 by 3. t raised to -1/3 into 1 minus t raised to what? 1/3 dt. 1/3 dt. Okay, we have the definition of beta function. Beta of mn is equal to integration of limit 0 to 1. Okay, integration of limit 0 to 1 x raised to m minus 1 into 1 minus x raised to n minus 1 and dx. Okay, this is the definition of beta function, and we will use this over here. So this equal to 8/3 integration of limit 0 to 1 and t raised to, here देखो, here we want -1. So for this what I have to do, -1/3 and we adding 1 and -1. Okay, so 1 minus t raised to 1/3. What I have to do, we adding 1 and subtracting 1 and dt. Okay, so just simplify this, you will get 8/3 integration of limit 0 to 1 and t raised to, just cross multiply, 3 1
minus 4/3.
minus 2/3.
सर पहले प्लस से करना है ना?
इसी यार प्लस हो जाएगा ना, माइनस क्यों आएगा, ये 3 हो गया ना यहाँ पे।
हाँ हाँ वही वही, सॉरी सॉरी
यार ऐसा मत करो। एंड अभी मैंने आपको माइनस प्लस का फर्क समझाया था। सो दिस बिकम व्हाट, t raised to 2/3, 3 1 ja 3 and -1, that is 2/3 and -1. Okay, and into 1 minus t raised to, just cross multiply, 3 1 ja 3 plus 1, 4/3 -1 and dt. यहाँ से हमको from this we will get here m equal to 2/3 or n equal to 4/3. Okay, so this equal to 8/3, and this is simply what, beta of mn. What is the m? M is 2/3 and n is 4/3. Okay, this is require value of your integral. Okay, or just apply the relation between beta and gamma function and solve this again. Prove that integration of limit 0 to 4 root x into 4 minus x raised to 3/2 dx, and this equal to, मैं आपको आंसर ही बता दे रहा हूँ, 4 पाई। ये आपके लिए होमवर्क है, आप घर पे कीजिए। ठीक है, चलिए।